package for like, okay, it's not long, a week. But I have seen so much of these boots everywhere, so I'm gonna unbox them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I just have to read this shit. Okay, if I want to send it back, I have to do that. Okay, let's see. Here is the packaging. It's boots. Oh my god. Where is the opener? Is it here? It's here. Okay. Being gentle with it. Oh, there. Stuck together. Oh my god! Oh shit. I can't get that other one out. Oh my god. These are so freaking pretty. Oh my god. Oh. They are the biker boots. That is like lookalikes of the Miu Miu biker boots, but I am not a rich girl.
My red flag are alcohol, drugs, gangs, criminals.
So we're going for the H&M. Okay, try on. Okay, I love unboxing shoes, like taking the things out, because I worked in a shoe store before, and every time people would try on shoes, we had to do this, and it was so satisfying every time. But I can't get this one out. There. And I think it's another one, and another one. I know that shit, I've been working with shoes. Kidding. Oh my god. It's quite like, fucking hell. Oh shit. Just, oh. Yep.
Fucking hell, I can't get it out.
Okay. There. Another one. And the last one. More? No. Okay. Ready for try on. Yeah. It's actually so sad because they are so cool, but they don't fit me. Like, it's not that I wanted. I wanted something else. They are a little bit too shiny, and they just give like rain boots vibes. If you can see, like, you can see that if I would wear it, I would like wear it with baggy shorts or skirt, but this is not it. Like, no. I just came home from a seminar. Hello there, my back. Okay, I just came home from a seminar. I'm just gonna put you here. No. Okay. How? Yeah. I think I'm just gonna put you here. Okay. Yeah. So, oh my god. I bought some books for this year. Oh, so okay, I bought some books for this year. So heavy books. Oh my god. I bought, oh shit, I I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books for I have 3 main courses, and I have to sort them. This is one topic, this is another topic. I think this is in this, and this is this is all one topic that gives 15 points. Like in Norway we have 30 points. This gives 15 points, and these 2, it's economy and quantitative method. 7.5 points, 7.5 points. So yeah, I have to write that down. Oh my god, that bug, or I forget so easily. So yeah, I'm just gonna write it down.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Break. So I have to take the train home to the family's house where I used to live, because my grandparents are coming home from Vietnam. They've been there for 2 months and now they are finally coming back. So I'm going to take the train and I have to pack for that. It's just gonna be like a couple of days. So show. Here is my closet. It's not very organized, but my pants are organized because I hang up my pants. Yeah, because all my jeans look alike, so I have to do this. Or some jeans may be forgotten. Yeah. But I have to pack and then take the train. Yeah, goodbye.